Slang is a type of language that consists of words and phrases that are recognized as very informal. They are more common in speech than writing, and they are typically restricted to a particular context or group of people. Nigerian Pidgin English, like any other language, is packed with slang words that are mostly extracted from some of the indigenous languages in the country and English itself. Some of the slang words are created with the present times, while some have been around for a considerably long period of time. The topic of slang will be broken down into different lessons because it is a very amplified one. We will start with common slang verbs in Nigerian Pidgin English, then slang nouns, slang expressions, fixed slang expressions, and emphatic slang words. Let's begin with some common slang verbs in Nigerian Pidgin English. Some of the slang verbs I will give in this lesson will accompany examples, while some will not. For those ones that will not, the words in English will explain their meanings. So, let's get cracking. Some slang verbs in Nigerian Pidgin English. These slang verbs will help you communicate a great deal in Nigerian Pidgin English and also make you understand some of the words you hear in Nigerian movies and music, especially Afrobeat and Afrobeats. Chew, chow, chow, whack, chop, lem, grub, gazoo, to eat. Are they hungry? I want chew. Bath, to take a shower. You don't bath this morning. Bath up, spoot, deck, spoot up, dress nicely. I like people where they spoot. I like people where they bath up. Land, reach, to arrive. When I land house, I go tell you. Collide, block, bracket. To meet up, to catch up. Make we collide later. Grab, to understand. Shall you grab? Soji, wake up. To know what's up, to know what time it is. Example, you need to soji, no slacking. Fashi, forget or to ignore. Why you dey fashi me? Stroke, to insult, mock, or abuse. Stop to stroke that guy now. Package, to organize or put together in a very attractive or desirable way. See packaging. Dash, to give somebody something for doing nothing, especially money. Vibe. To flow or to talk happily or interestingly. I don't like your vibes, I beg. Show. To appear, to visit, or to come. I go show for your house tonight. Chill, chillax. To relax. I go chillax for this weekend. Bad belle. To hold a grudge against someone or to envy someone. You too like to bad belle people. Bad mouth. To speak maliciously against someone. Guts. Have to. We got to go house now. Barb. To cut one's hair or beards. You got to barb your hair. It's too bushy. Baz. Feg. Blast. Shaft. To smoke. Me, I know the shaft. Grab. To have muscles, to be well built as a guy. I like guys with grab. Slack. To think and act sluggishly. Why you dey slack? Blow. To speak. You just dey blow English anyhow. Blow. To get rich, to be successful. Bafo don blow. Gawk. Believe a lie? Why you just dey gawk like that? Gawk. Fuck up or to mess up. I hate people where they gawk always. Bone. To frown. Why you dey bone? Shack. Shayo. Manya. To drink alcohol. Make we go shack. Gist. To gossip. To talk. Gist me wetin happen to Helene. Yarn. To tell. To talk. Bola yarn me something strange about you. Form. Trying to do something you're not. I beg, stop to form. I beg, stop forming. Gumbody. Always physically attached to somebody. Always around. Brazilian women too dey gumbody. To code. Cap. To lie. Stop to cap. Cack. To dress well. I like the way you cack. Job somebody. To dupe somebody. Then job John last week. Do Johnny. To run away or to dump somebody. I no go do you, Johnny. Basky. Well arranged, fine, nice looking. That restaurant, Basky. Flex. Cruise. Flenjo. Badun. Ebelebe. Jollificate. To enjoy. Skelewu. To deceive. You don't do me skelewu, abi. Cut out. Take off. Waka. Ja. To leave in a hurry. I don't waka. Para. Kolo. Meant. Chris. Gaga. Skon. To get angry. To go crazy. It don't kolo for you. Dengue. To show off. I know if you stand guys with the dengue. Dengue pose. To show off. Make shakara. To pose. To feel cool of oneself. Stop to the make shakara. Desg. Showing off. Are you the desg? Holla. To shout or call someone on the phone. I go holla you later. Jab. To work. You go jab on Saturday. Skink. To forget about something. I beg skin that matter. To laga. To drink. Jogo. To be drunk. Jogodo. To the act of smoking weed. Seeing eyes, it don't jogodo. Nosh. To smoke weed. He like to notch. Blast. To smoke weed. Trip. To enjoy. To like someone or something a lot. I did trip for your accent too. Shingban. Shakpa. To be broke. And shakpa I do. Rack. To fight. You know for Rack Lewis now. Faff. To laze about. Billy just a faff for year. Click. To be successful. The business what we do never click. Jeje. To be gentle. I did jeje. Gbe body. To dance. I like the way you gbe body. Dig. To love something or someone a lot. I dig your swag. Waka. To walk. Waka fast now. We don't late. Take time. To be careful. To give an aggressive warning to somebody. Like, don't mess with me. Take time. Area boys full that street. Take your time or I go slap you. Clear. This verb has multiple meanings in Nigerian Pidgin English. It could mean to have sex, to leave a place, to buy something, to go somewhere, depending on the context. But I'll make I'm going to give a special class with this verb. Toast, spin, tune, to woo or ask out a lady. That guy toast you. Hammer, to make money all of a sudden or hit it big abruptly. Bafodon hammer. Scamper, take off, borrow leg, tear raise, jet, japa, to run or run fast. The lazy guy don't japa. Vamos, get out of here, to leave in a hurry. Peme, mud, boof, kaput, to die. Buy, to kill. Some people use this word as to die, but it's actually wrong. Buy means to kill. Rake, empty boasting, not backed up by any action. You just the rake. Jolly jolly, to enjoy. You just a jolly jolly alone. Run teams, to be the movers and shakers, to make things happen, to be in total control of events and happenings. It's a good word for people who like to show off and brag. Now we dey run things for this town. Squeeze face, to frown. Stop to squeeze face, abeg. Take style, to do something indirectly, mostly not allowing people to know your intentions. Udo just dey take style comot for the party. Yab, to make fun of somebody. Why you dey yab mean? Comot, to leave a place. Comot for here, abeg. Tight, to be very good, great. The church service tight. Woes, to hit very hard. I go woes you. Psych, to ask out or to woo somebody, like a lady. I won't psych that babe. Psych, to fool someone or to pull someone's leg. I just dey psych you. Shari, to forget a person or something. I shari my phone for inside motor. Shari wetin your oga talk. Sharp up, to act fast. You need to sharp up. Do gra gra, to be stubborn. Stop to do gra gra. Do shakara, do guy, do yanga. To play hard to get or to feel cool. Why you dey do shakara for me? Why you dey do guy for me? Why you dey do yanga for me? Do wayo, play wayo, to be sly, to play fast one on someone. That girl do me wayo. That girl play me wayo. Do quick, to make snappy. Do quick, make we go. Shut up, to shut up. Chop beans, to be in jail. Wey Ojo, he dey kirikiri dey chop beans. To finish, to be done with an activity. I don't finish. Shakpa, to get lost, your presence is not needed here. I beg shakpa. Whine, pulling one's legs, to joke or to tease. I just dey whine you. Zuzu, to act or do stupid stuff. Team too sabi zuzu. Cane, knack, nyash, bala, bang, whip, dogs, enter, bash, nolut, fork, poke, shag, prak, sompido, straff, spunky, to have sex. Please don't knock anyone until you marry you. To enter, to have sex. To enter, to beat somebody, blue, black. If you see the way police enter the guy, Set, to look well shaped, well curved, especially used for ladies. See as that babe set. Yarn dust, to talk nonsense. You just the yarn dust since. To size someone, to examine if someone is fit for a task. You size the guy, you think say if he do the business. To stage, to flatter, to mess with someone. I just they stage you. Dagbo, to dupe somebody. Then dagbo me yesterday. Buga, chop, to have sex. Chop Chris, to be crazy. You chop Chris.